Creating a vertical garden oasis for small spaces.
Welcome to GreenThumb Gurus, where we explore the wonders of gardening in small spaces. In today's video, we're diving into the world of vertical gardens, unlocking the secrets to creating a lush oasis even in the tiniest of areas. From maximizing space to selecting the perfect plants, we'll show you how to transform your surroundings into a vibrant haven. Get ready for DIY vertical structures that won't break the bank and sustainable watering solutions to keep your garden thriving. Join us as we unravel the urban gardening trend and uncover why vertical gardens are taking city living spaces by storm. Don't miss out on expert tips and tricks that will leave you inspired and ready to embark on your own green thumb journey. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button, as we have plenty more exciting content coming your way. Let's dive into the world of vertical garden oasis for small spaces together.
Maximizing space. How to transform small areas into vibrant vertical gardens.
One of the key concepts in creating a vibrant vertical garden is maximizing space. With limited areas, it becomes essential to explore innovative ways to transform these small spaces into flourishing green oases. The beauty of vertical gardens lies in their ability to optimize the available real estate, bringing life and vibrancy to any environment. One fascinating aspect of vertical gardens is their ability to utilize vertical surfaces that would otherwise remain unused. By incorporating climbing plants and installing trellises or vertical structures, we can create a stunning visual display while maximizing every inch of space. These gardens not only enhance aesthetic appeal but also provide numerous benefits, such as improving air quality, reducing noise levels, and promoting biodiversity. In addition to their space-saving nature, vertical gardens offer practical advantages as well. For those with limited ground space, cultivating a vertical garden allows for easy access and maintenance. Whether it is a balcony, a small courtyard, or even walls inside your home, these areas can be transformed into vibrant green spaces. Imagine the joy of plucking fresh herbs or colorful flowers right outside your kitchen window. Another intriguing aspect of vertical gardens is their versatility. They provide an opportunity to experiment with a wide variety of plant species, from cascading vines to elegant ferns, and from exotic flowering plants to succulents. The choice of plants depends on factors such as light exposure, climate, and personal preference. Vertical gardens allow for a unique fusion of colors, textures, and aromas, creating a magical oasis that captivates the senses. To ensure the success of a vertical garden, it is important to understand the reasons behind this transformation. With urbanization on the rise and limited green spaces available, vertical gardens offer a solution to beautify our surroundings and bring nature closer to our everyday lives. They hold the potential to create a harmonious balance between urban infrastructure and the natural world, fostering a sense of peace, tranquility, and connection to the environment. In summary, maximizing space is a foundational principle in the creation of vibrant vertical gardens. This concept encompasses utilizing vertical surfaces, reimagining small areas, and embracing the practical and aesthetic benefits that vertical gardens offer. By tapping into the potential of these innovative green spaces, we can transform any small area into a flourishing oasis, bringing joy, beauty, and a touch of nature into our lives.
Practical plant selection. Discover the best plants for creating an oasis in limited spaces.
When it comes to creating an oasis in limited spaces, practical plant selection becomes crucial. The right choice of plants can make all the difference in achieving a lush and thriving garden, even in the smallest of areas. To embark on this journey, it is important to explore the characteristics and requirements of various plant species to ensure maximum success and enjoyment. One fascinating aspect of plant selection for limited spaces is the ability to choose plants that are well suited for vertical gardening. Climbing plants, such as ivy, jasmine, and clematis, can effortlessly adorn walls and trellises, transforming vertical surfaces into a tapestry of greenery. Not only do they add visual interest, but they also make efficient use of vertical space, allowing for a stunning display even in the most compact areas. Another consideration in practical plant selection is the adaptability of plants to different growing conditions. In limited spaces, it is often necessary to work with varying light exposures. Some plants thrive in bright, direct sunlight, while others prefer partial shade or even full shade. Understanding the natural habitat and requirements of the plants we choose enables us to create a harmonious environment and prevent disappointment or failure. Furthermore, selecting plants with compact growth habits is essential in limited spaces. Many plant varieties, such as dwarf varieties of ornamental grasses, shrubs, and vegetables, have been specifically bred to stay compact and tidy. These plants not only fit well in small containers or raised beds but also require less pruning and maintenance. The compact nature of these plants allows for more diversity in the garden, as multiple species can be grown together without overwhelming the space. Lastly, it's worth considering plants that offer dual benefits in limited spaces. For example, choosing edible plants like herbs, strawberries, or cherry tomatoes not only adds beauty and greenery to your oasis but also provides fresh and flavorful ingredients for your meals. This combination of aesthetics and functionality can be incredibly rewarding in limited spaces, where every plant should have a purpose and contribute to the overall experience. In conclusion, practical plant selection is the key to creating an oasis in limited spaces. By choosing plants that are well suited for vertical gardening, adaptable to different growing conditions, compact in growth habit, and offer dual benefits, we can create a vibrant and thriving garden in the smallest of areas. With careful consideration and planning, we can transform these limited spaces into beautiful, functional, and enjoyable green havens.
DIY vertical structures, creative ideas for constructing vertical gardening systems on a budget.
When it comes to vertical gardening on a budget, the possibilities are truly endless. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can construct your very own DIY vertical structures that not only save space but also add an element of charm and uniqueness to your garden. Let's dive into some creative ideas and explore the details and reasons behind their effectiveness. One clever idea for a budget-friendly vertical gardening system is the use of repurposed materials. For example, old wooden pallets can be transformed into vertical planters by adding a few shelves or pockets for plants. This not only minimizes waste but also provides a rustic and eco-friendly touch to your garden. Another option is utilizing old shoe organizers or hanging shoe racks, which can be easily hung on a wall or fence and filled with a variety of plants. These materials may be readily available or even found for free, making them an affordable and sustainable choice. In addition to repurposed materials, another DIY option for vertical structures is utilizing recycled or upcycled items. Have an old ladder lying around? Transform it into a vertical garden by attaching shelves, hooks, or even using the rungs as individual planters. This not only adds a touch of whimsy to your garden but also maximizes the use of vertical space. Other items such as PVC pipes, rain gutters, or even old tires can be repurposed as vertical planters, providing a cost-effective and visually interesting solution for limited spaces. Furthermore, constructing vertical gardening systems using modular components can be a practical and budget-friendly approach. There are various modular systems available in the market that allow you to customize and expand as per your needs. These systems often come with stackable pots, wall-mounted holders, or even freestanding structures, providing flexibility and ease of use. By utilizing modular components, you have the freedom to adjust and rearrange your vertical garden as desired, making it suitable for various plant sizes and types. Lastly, incorporating vertical structures that double as functional elements can be an intriguing choice. For example, a vertical garden combined with a rainwater collection system can help conserve water and contribute to sustainable gardening practices. Additionally, vertical structures like trellises or arbors not only provide support for climbing plants but can also serve as visual focal points in your garden. By integrating these dual-purpose elements, you can maximize the functionality and aesthetics of your vertical gardening system. In conclusion, constructing DIY vertical structures on a budget opens up a world of creativity and possibilities. Whether you opt for repurposed materials, recycled items, modular components, or functional elements, the key is to think outside the box and make the most of your available resources. By doing so, you can create an enchanting vertical garden that not only saves space but also reflects your unique style and ingenuity.
Sustainable watering solutions, effective techniques to conserve water and maintain a thriving vertical garden.
Water conservation is a crucial aspect of maintaining a thriving vertical garden. Thankfully, there are several effective techniques that can help sustainably water your plants and minimize water waste. Let's explore some interesting facts, details, and reasons behind these sustainable watering solutions. One technique that promotes water conservation in vertical gardening is the use of drip irrigation systems. Drip irrigation delivers water directly to the base of each plant, minimizing evaporation and ensuring that water reaches the roots where it is needed most. This method not only reduces water waste but also promotes healthier plant growth by preventing overwatering. By incorporating a timer into the drip irrigation system, you can further enhance efficiency and regulate watering schedules based on the specific needs of your vertical garden. Another sustainable watering solution for vertical gardens involves the use of rainwater harvesting. Collecting rainwater not only reduces reliance on traditional water sources but also conserves energy and reduces water treatment costs. Installing a rain barrel or a larger rainwater harvesting system allows you to capture and store rainwater that can be used to irrigate your vertical garden during dry periods. It's important to note that rainwater is naturally free of chemicals found in tap water, making it a healthier option for your plants. Furthermore, choosing the right soil mix plays a significant role in water conservation. Utilizing well-draining soil with adequate organic matter enables efficient water absorption and retention, reducing the need for frequent watering. Adding materials like compost or coco coir to the soil mixture enhances water retention abilities, ensuring that moisture is available to the plants for longer periods. Additionally, incorporating mulch around the base of your plants helps minimize evaporation and maintain soil moisture levels, reducing the frequency of watering. Finally, proper plant selection is key to sustainable water usage in vertical gardening. Choosing drought-tolerant plants that are well suited to vertical environments can significantly reduce water requirements. Native plants, succulents, and certain herbs are excellent choices as they have adapted to survive in arid conditions and require less water. Additionally, grouping plants with similar water needs together can aid in efficient watering and prevent the over- or underwatering of individual plants. In summary, adopting sustainable watering solutions in your vertical garden not only conserves water but also promotes the overall health and longevity of your plants. Techniques such as drip irrigation systems, rainwater harvesting, incorporating well-draining soil mixes, and selecting drought-tolerant plant species all contribute to water conservation efforts. By implementing these strategies, you can maintain a thriving and eco-friendly vertical garden that beautifies your space while minimizing water waste.
Urban gardening trend. Exploring the rising popularity of vertical gardens in city living spaces.
Urban gardening, particularly the practice of creating vertical gardens, has become a rapidly growing trend among city dwellers. The rising popularity of vertical gardens in urban living spaces can be attributed to several interesting factors. Let's delve into these details and reasons behind the urban gardening trend. One of the driving forces behind the popularity of vertical gardens is the limited space available in urban environments. As cities continue to expand, traditional gardens are often replaced by concrete structures. Vertical gardens offer a creative solution by utilizing vertical space, such as walls, balconies, and rooftops, to grow plants. This innovative approach allows urban dwellers to enjoy the benefits of gardening while maximizing their available space. Another reason for the surge in vertical gardening is its aesthetic appeal. Vertical gardens provide a visually striking green oasis in the middle of a concrete jungle. The vibrant colors and textures of various plant species cascading down walls or forming intricate patterns create a refreshing contrast to the urban environment. These eye-catching green installations not only beautify city living spaces but also contribute to a sense of tranquility and well-being. In addition to their visual appeal, vertical gardens offer environmental benefits. They help combat the heat island effect, which occurs when cities absorb and retain heat due to the prevalence of hard surfaces. By incorporating greenery into vertical structures, urban areas can experience temperature moderation, improved air quality, and reduced energy consumption. Vertical gardens also contribute to biodiversity in cities by providing habitats for insects and birds, thus promoting a healthier urban ecosystem. Furthermore, the increasing awareness of sustainability and the desire for fresh, homegrown produce have boosted the popularity of vertical gardens. Many urban gardeners are embracing the idea of growing their own food in limited spaces. Vertical gardens allow them to cultivate a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, and herbs, even in small apartments or balconies. This not only promotes self-sufficiency but also reduces reliance on mass-produced food and decreases carbon emissions associated with long-distance transportation. In summary, the urban gardening trend of vertical gardens has captured the attention of city dwellers for several interesting reasons. The limited space in urban environments, the aesthetic appeal, the environmental benefits, and the desire for sustainable and locally grown food all contribute to its rising popularity. Vertical gardens offer a creative and practical solution to urban gardening challenges, enabling individuals to connect with nature, enhance their surroundings, and embrace a more sustainable lifestyle in the midst of urban living.
Creating a vertical garden oasis for small spaces.
In today's video, we delved into the enchanting world of vertical gardens, revealing the secrets to transforming even the smallest spaces into vibrant green oases. We learned how to maximize space effectively, turning every nook and cranny into a thriving garden haven. Armed with our expert advice, you discovered the perfect plants to bring life and beauty to your limited surroundings. But we didn't stop there. Our DIY enthusiasts were in for a treat as we shared creative and budget-friendly ideas to construct stunning vertical gardening structures. No need to break the bank. We showed you how to create your own masterpiece effortlessly. And what's a garden without water? Our sustainable watering solutions ensured your vertical haven remains lush and healthy while conserving this precious resource. Say goodbye to wasting water and hello to a thriving oasis. But wait, there's more. We dived into the urban gardening trend, exploring why vertical gardens are taking city living spaces by storm. Discover why more and more people are embracing this innovative gardening approach, and be inspired to join the movement yourself. If you found today's video inspiring, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a wealth of valuable content and expert tips that will elevate your green thumb game to new heights. Don't miss out on our next exciting adventure. Thank you for joining us in unraveling the magic of vertical garden oases for small spaces. Remember, nature has no boundaries, and neither does your creativity. Together, let's fill the world with green wonders, one tiny space at a time.